In this video, you'll learn how to create a personal dashboard in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a customized workspace that helps you track various aspects of your life effectively. Begin by navigating to Notion and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here, you will find an option to create a new page. Click on the button labeled New Page to initiate the process of building your personal dashboard. After clicking, a blank page will appear, allowing you to start fresh. Next, rename this page to something meaningful, such as Personal Dashboard. This title will help you quickly identify the page later. Choose a clean layout for clarity, ensuring that the information is easy to read. Consider what areas of your life you want to track, such as tasks, goals, habits, or notes. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your dashboard. After establishing the basic page, it is time to add key sections to your dashboard. Begin by inserting headings for each section you plan to include. Common sections might consist of tasks, goals, habits, and notes. To enhance functionality, you can insert databases like to-do lists or calendars. Keeping the layout simple and readable is essential, as it will make it easier to navigate and utilize your dashboard effectively. Avoid cluttering the page with unnecessary blocks. Moving on to customization, you can personalize your dashboard further by adding icons and cover images. These visual elements can make your dashboard more engaging. Adjust the spacing between different sections to improve visibility and aesthetics. It is important to revisit and update the information on your dashboard regularly, whether daily or weekly. As your needs change, remove sections that are no longer relevant and refine the layout to ensure it remains effective and useful. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.